Did you get denied for the Amazon on-site commission, or are you on your last try? If that's you right now, stick around because I'm going to share with you 5 tips that'll help you get approved for the Amazon on-site commission.
Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders, just you and me.
So today we're going to be going over how you can get approved for the Amazon on-site commission when you're submitting your videos. To start off, congrats for being accepted into the Amazon Influencer Program, but we got to make sure that you get to the bag with on-site commission as well. I'm going to share with you 5 tips that'll help you get approved for the Amazon on-site commission. Keep in mind, these are tips. Don't forget, it's always good to read over Amazon's video content guidelines. And if you read that, and if you look at this video, you put them both together, you can't lose. So if you're watching this, you already probably know what Amazon on-site commission is. But if you don't know, let me tell you. Amazon on-site commission is shoppable content that you make and product recommendations that you post on your Amazon storefront. The customers will see your videos as they search through Amazon for different products. If your content is selected for on-site commission, you will earn on-site rates when a customer clicks on your video and then they go make a qualifying purchase. For example, if you post a video about a blanket and how much you love this blanket, if the customer clicks on your content and then let's say they go buy that blanket, that will be a qualifying purchase because they literally got it from your content. Now that we've covered what on-site commission is, let's get into the tips that's going to cover the basics of what Amazon is looking for when you're submitting your videos for on-site commission. Tip number 1, only submit 3 videos, y'all. That is all that they need to review. Do not go on there and submit 5 to 10 videos, because say they looking at 1, 2, 3, those don't pass, but say you got a good one on number 5, they wouldn't even see it because they already saw what they needed to see. Save yourself some trouble and just make 3 videos when you submit these products, please. Okay. Tip number 2, be basic and straight to the point regarding the product, but do not take what makes you out of that product review. You want your content to be as authentic as possible and genuine, not just like robotics. So be you and make sure that the product is the most important thing in the video. Tip number 3, filming your video. Let's get into it. First, do not have a distracting background. You don't need to have nothing else in that background, sweetie. Because the product itself is what the focus of the video needs to be about. Don't have any other products in the video. Please do not do that. Okay, so we're gonna take this for example. If I'm reviewing this product, this is the only product that needs to be in the video. I am not gonna have like say this in the background because 2 different brands. You don't want to confuse anyone looking at your content. So even if I'm filmed in like this, say I got this to the side, because it's always somebody who's going to notice this detail. So only have 1 product in the shot when you're making these videos. Make sure you have good lighting. Good lighting is essential. Shoot your content in front of a window. You can use artificial lighting, just selfie lights, ring lights. There's all type of different lights. You can even do it outside on a nice day if you got a porch, if you got a deck. I'm saying just use your creativity. Make sure the lighting is good. Side note, always wipe your camera lens off. It is a horrible feeling when you've taken a whole video and you got a smudge print on your camera lens. Terrible. If you're gonna do a voiceover, make sure your voice is clear and there's no loud background noises, other people. Just make sure it is just you talking to your phone. If you're showing your face, make sure you look presentable. If you're not, if you're just showing your hands, just make sure your nails are clean and your hands are not ashy or dirty. That's all. So just make sure that your hands will look okay for the video whenever you're doing it. Video length. Keep your video length at about 30 to 50 seconds. You don't want it to be too short, but you don't want it to be too long because just like you would get bored, they might get bored too. Keep in mind, it also depends on the product. You do not have to read every specification of the product because then it just sounds like you're just reading from it. Oh, it does this, it does that. Also does this, it is this. Tell us about how you use the product, the benefits of the product. Why would somebody want to buy this? Why How would you make me want to buy this? Say it's like a coffee maker. You do want to say how you use it so that people can know. Is it beginner friendly? You know, is it a little advanced? Just kind of get into all that. Now that we've gone over how many videos you should submit, how you should film your video, the video length of your video, now we're going to get into another important tip. Tip number 4, I'm going to go over the questions that your video should answer. I use this checklist on every product review that I make to make sure that I'm answering all the questions in my shoppable content. What is the product? Let's be real. We got to know what the product is. What does the product do? Tell us what it does. Tell us what it's used for. Let us know. Why do you like or love the product? What are the benefits of the product? How is it going to help me? Like, why should I buy it? What problem does it solve? And this is like a side note. You want to get products or review products that aligns with you, aligns with your personality, your brand. So that way you can give real authentic reviews. If you review stuff that you do not care for, it's going to show. People going to know that you cap. And if you don't know what cap means, cap means you're lying. And we know that you're capping, buddy. And let me also give y'all some side notes. Don't say affordable. Don't mention a price. Don't do it. The reason why I say don't mention price or that it's affordable is because you never know when they see that video what the price will be. This is also why I tell you to read over Amazon's video content guidelines so that it will tell you all of that stuff. It will tell you do's and don'ts and what they look for. And tip number 5, make sure to have your checklist handy. When you are doing these videos, make a checklist that you can check off to make sure you answered every question. Watch your whole video all the way through. Have your checklist. Did my video answer what is the product? Did my video answer how do you use the product? Did my video answer what is the benefit of the product? And make sure you have those checked off for every video that you submit. Once you're accepted, it'll be so much easier and you'll just start to get the hang of it, and they won't be as strict once you're accepted. You still want to follow the questions though, making sure your product review answers those questions of how it will help the customer and why the customer will want to buy that. Those are the tips that I have for y'all today. Don't forget to read over Amazon's guidelines, video submission guidelines, so that you can familiarize yourself with what they're wanting. If this video helped you in any way get approved for the Amazon on-site commission, definitely let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear, if you get accepted, your journey. Just also, if you have any questions, you can definitely ask them down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope y'all have a great rest of your day. Bye.